Good morning, student. This is the question answer of chapter 1 crop production and management that I am giving you on the YouTube. The first is choose the correct option that it is displaying on the display. First is the large scale cultivation of some kind of plants at a place is called. The options are given here. The first option crop is the right answer. The second question is wheat are grown in. Here also the four options is given. The answer is winter. Third, a seed drill is used to sow the seeds. Next, question number 4, the manure is preferred over a fertilizer because it is these four option is given, three all are right answer: natural, soil friendly, non polluting. That's why the answer is all of these. Now next, the next question is question number 5 of this choose the correct option. The main source of irrigation in our country is rainfall. Now the next question B, match the following. कॉलम को मैच करना है. द फर्स्ट इज अनवांटेड प्लांट्स ग्रो अलॉन्ग विथ क्रॉप. दैट आंसर इज वीड्स. सेकेंड, commercial storage of food grains. The answer is silos and granaries. 3. Large scale rearing of fish. The answer is pisciculture. 4. Loosening and turning of soil. Answer tilling. Next, question number 5. Nutrient rich substances added to the soil. The answer is manure and fertilizers. Now next, the statement true and false. The first question is growing legumes after crop season increases the fertility of soil. This answer is absolutely true. Next, question number 2, plug and levelers are used to sow seeds. This is absolutely wrong answer because for plowing and leveling, plug and leveler are not used for sowing the seeds. It is used to make the soil uniform. Now next, question number 3, cutting of matured crops by machines is called winnowing. This is also wrong question because winnowing is used to separate the chaff from the grains. Now next, question number 4, separating grains from the chaff is called threshing. This is absolutely right answer. Now next, question number 5, healthy seeds float on the surface of water. This is also absolutely wrong question because healthy seed does not float on water, that will sink inside the water. Now next, question number 6, large scale rearing of honeybees is called floriculture. This is also wrong question because floriculture is related to the growing of flowers. Next, now come to the next question, very short answer type question. The first is name the following. A, two jade crop. दो jade crop का नाम बताना है. As we know, jade crop is known as the summer crop. The example is watermelon and pumpkin. B, two modern method of irrigating the crops. First is a sprinkler and second is drip irrigation. These two types are known as modern method of irrigation. Now see, the process used to separate seeds from chaff, that is threshing and winnowing. Both the processes involved in that. Next, what is a weedicide? Answer, weedicides are the chemicals which are sprayed over field to get rid of weeds. Next, question number 3, what is the use of hoe? As we know, hoe आप लोग देख ही चुके होंगे, agricultural implements it is used to use in the agricultural activities. The answer is it is used for removing weed and loosening the soil. Next, what is the pisciculture? Pisciculture is the rearing of fish on a large scale. Whatever the answer I have given here, in the last it is must to write is called or it is known as pisciculture. Here in the short I have written to understand, but it is must to write in the copy. The full answer, rearing of fish on a large scale is called pisciculture. Not even in this question, you have to write in all the questions whatever I have written in short. Now come to the short answer type question. E, the first is why do we use why do we need to grow crops? The answer is we need to grow crops because they are major source of food. They provide raw material for industrial uses also. ये इंडस्ट्री में यूज़ होने वाले रॉ मटेरियल को भी प्रोवाइड करने में हेल्प करता है. अंडरस्टैंड? Now question number 2, what is the difference between रबी एंड खरीफ क्रॉप? यहाँ पे हम लोग को डिफरेंसेस दिखाना है कि रबी क्रॉप और खरीफ क्रॉप में क्या डिफरेंसेस है. दीज आर द सीजन क्रॉप. एज वी नो, रबी क्रॉप इज ग्रोन इन विंटर सीजन एंड खरीफ क्रॉप इज ग्रोन इन समर सीजन. ये हम लोग को पहले से पता है, चैप्टर में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है इसके बारे में. एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन हियर. मेंशन, आई हैव मेंशन द एग्जाम्पल आल्सो. दिस 2 points it is showing the differences between kharif and rabi crops. The examples of kharif crop are paddy, maize, soybean, etc. And the example of rabi crop is wheat, gram, pea, etc. Now question number 3, what is the advantages of turning and loosening the soil? ये यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन जो पूछ रहा है, ये एडवांटेजेस बताना है कि टर्निंग एंड लूजनिंग का जो सॉइल जो हम लोग करते हैं, प्लॉइंग करते हैं, उसका क्या एडवांटेजेस है. सो फर्स्ट इज टर्निंग एंड लूजनिंग ऑफ द सॉइल bring the nutrient rich soil to the top so that plant can use these nutrients. ताकि टर्न करके न्यूट्रिएंट का जो न्यूट्रिएंट सॉइल होता है जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा न्यूट्रिएंट पाए जाते हैं, वो ऊपर आता है. ऊपर आने से सॉइल प्रॉपरली उसका इस्तेमाल कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पॉइंट नंबर 2, it permits easy and deeper penetration of roots. Point number 3, it provide good aeration to the roots. Question number 4, what is manure obtained? How is manure obtained? The answer is manure is the organic matter mostly derived from animal feces which is used as organic fertilizer in agriculture. It is obtained when the plants and animals wastes are dumped in pits at open places. Question number 5, how the modern method of irrigation are more water efficient than the traditional ones? The answer is the modern methods of irrigation are better than traditional methods because it saves more water and also reduces the time and labor. Next question, if long answer type question. This is the last question consisting of 4 or 5 question, I think so. The first is, what are the difference between manure and fertilizer? There is so many differences I have mentioned here as of manure and fertilizer. The first is of manure, it is a natural substances. ये हमको पता है, ये नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट है, नेचुरल प्रोसेस से बनता है by the decomposition of a microorganism. But fertilizer is artificial or artificial, but some are natural also, but it is manufactured in the industry. जनरली इंडस्ट्री में मैन्युफैक्चर होता है, इसलिए हम लोग उसको आर्टिफिशियली कंडोन करते हैं. बट आई मेंशन हियर आल्सो द नेचुरल सब्सटेंसेस. इट इज़ नॉट more important to write the natural substances. The second is these are obtained by dead and decaying plant and animal. These are now fertilizer. These are chemicals that are added to the soil to increase its fertility and productivity. These are the some points I have mentioned the differences here that you will write. Now question number 2, give reason for the following. The first is A, we need to remove weeds from the main crop. रीज़न हम लोग को बताना पड़ेगा कि क्यों हम लोग वीड को क्रॉप से रिमूव करते हैं. बिकॉज इट प्रोहिबिट्स द ग्रोथ. इसलिए हम लोग को रिमूव करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये क्रॉप के ग्रोथ को प्रोहिबिट करता है, रोकता है. एंड ऑल्सो एब्जॉर्ब द न्यूट्रिएंट फ्रॉम द सॉइल. जो सॉइल का न्यूट्रिएंट होगा जो क्रॉप को चाहिए वो वीड्स एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा, जो हमारे लिए उपयोगी नहीं है. सो इट इज़ मस्ट टू रिमूव द वीड फ्रॉम द क्रॉप्स. नाउ बी, earthworms are friends of farmer. Yeah, it is true. It is known as the friend of farmer because they make ways for air to enter the soil. They make the soil more fertile. They convert the biodegradable waste into manure. These are the benefits of the earthworm. That's why they are known as friends of farmer. Now see, legumes increase soil fertility. Legumes जो है soil की fertility को बढ़ाता है. The legumes replace nitrogen used by crops. They also provide a cover for the soil to help protect it from heavy rains and strong winds. The roots of the legume plants hold the soil in place. Legumes produce nitrogen through a process involving bacteria in the soil and nitrogen in the air. Now question number 3, what precautions should be taken while storing the grains? अब बात ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, फसल तो हो गया, ग्रेन्स हम लोग को मिल चुका डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्रोसेस से। अब इसको हम लोग को क्या प्रिकॉशन लेना चाहिए जब हम लोग इसको स्टोर करते हैं तब? द फॉलोइंग प्रिकॉशन शुड बी टेकन वाइल स्टोरिंग फूड ग्रेन्स। द फर्स्ट इज ग्रेन्स मस्ट बी ड्राइड थ्रूली, अदरवाइज देयर आर चांसेस ऑफ रटनिंग। अगर सही से उसको हम सुखाए नहीं स्टोर करने से पहले तो वो सड़ सकते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द मॉइस्चर इन द ग्रेन्स। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट नंबर 2, ग्रेन्स मस्ट बी स्टोर्ड इन अ प्लेस वाइल विच इज़ फ्री फ्रॉम मॉइस्चर। वैसे जगह को हम लोग को मॉइस्चर फ्री करना चाहिए जहाँ पे हम लोग ग्रेन्स को स्टोर करने वाले हैं। नाउ पॉइंट नंबर 3, इन गोडाउन्स chemical used to prevent rats and insects must be used carefully in such as way that grains are not contaminated. Next point, storage places should be well ventilated, जिसमें एयर का एक्सचेंजेस होते रहना चाहिए। Now gunny bags used to store grains must be dried properly. These are the points which is most important while storing the food grains. Now question number 4, what is animal husbandry? What products do you get from animals as food and other than food? Animal husbandry is the branch of science deals with this practice of breeding, farming and caring of farm animals such as cattle, dogs, sheep and horses by humans for advantages. Animal husbandry refers to livestock raising and selective breeding. Now next, products we get as food, वो प्रोडक्ट जो हम लोग एज अ फूड लेते हैं। फर्स्ट इज मिल्क, एग, हनी एंड सो ऑन। नेक्स्ट, प्रोडक्ट्स वी गेट अदर देन फूड, लेदर, वैक्स, वुल, जूट, है ना, दीज आर द प्रोडक्ट दैट वी गेट as a usable substance other than food. Now next is G, higher order thinking skill. That is a hard question. The first is seed should be sown at an appropriate depth and distance. Why? क्यों सीड को लगाना चाहिए प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस पे, प्रॉपर डेप्थ पे? ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, ये हम लोग को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि क्यों हम लोग को प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस, प्रॉपर डेप्थ देना चाहिए। अंडरस्टैंड? द सीड्स शुड बी सोन एट अप्रोप्रिएट डेप्थ बिकॉज सीड्स सोन superficially can be eaten by the birds. In addition to this, the seeds should not be sown too close as the plants will not get sufficient space to grow and will compete for space, nutrients and sunlight. Now next, question number 2, what is water logging and its impact? वाटर लॉगिंग है क्या, इसका क्या इम्पैक्ट है, ये जानना हम लोग को। एज वी नो, accumulation of water at a place in the field इज कॉल्ड वाटर लॉगिंग। कहीं एक जगह पे पानी का जमाव होना फील्ड में, इसको हम लोग कहते हैं वाटर लॉगिंग। इट्स इम्पैक्ट्स आर, इट स्पॉइल द क्रॉप बाय कटिंग द सप्लाई ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। नेक्स्ट, rise of salt in surface layer. Third, absence of aeration of soil in the root. The whole question answer is completed. So don't forget to write these all answers in the copy as well the hot question, and it's a request to you all, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like it also. If you will face any type of problem in this video whatever I am going to upload, you will text me or you will contact on my WhatsApp number. So that's all. Have a nice day everyone.